Jen, sir. We have the permission to start, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I stand before you proudly to welcome you to the land of the great leader and freedom fighter Nitish Subhash Chandra Bose. With this, I welcome you to the line bearer briefing of the Directorate of West Bengal and Sikkim, sir. So, if you move with me, over here, we have a small replica of Mount Kanchenjunga, which is the third highest mountain of the world with a height of 8,586 meters above the ground. But further, sir, we have this Howrah Bridge. It is built over the river of Hooghly, connecting the two main cities of Kolkata and Howrah. It was commissioned on 3rd February 1943. Next to it, sir, we have a burst from Rabindranath Tagore. He was a great poet and writer. He gave the national anthem for two main countries, namely India and Bangladesh. If you move further with me, sir, we have the flag, which we have the NCC flag, which describes the three armed forces of our nation. Below it is a quarter guard of our nation, of our directorate, sir. Further ahead, sir, we have this mirror, which is used by the cadets to look up to their dressing sense and their wear out, sir. Below it, we have this, the Howrah Hooghly Bridge too, sir. It is also known as Rabindra Setu. Further ahead, sir, we have this notice board, which contains routine orders, security orders, course orders, and fire orders, sir. If you come to the side of the barracks, sir, we have this small map replica, which created by the cadets of West Bengal and Sikkim, sir. Behind it is the Ramkrishan Mission headquarters in Belur Math, sir. Further ahead behind it, sir, we have this fire point, which contains two water buckets, two sand buckets, three fire extinguishers, and a few fire tools. For example, shovel, pickaxe, fire beater, axe, and a fire hose, sir. So, if you move with me to the gates of the barracks, over on the walls in the street, we have the curtain of the argument. The front wall, we have a tea plantation. Above it is the Changmund Lake. On the next wall, sir, we have the Royal Bengal Tiger, the pride of our Sundarban. Above it, sir, we have the Dakshineshwar Temple. On the next wall, sir, we have this tram. Next to it is the Victoria Memorial, created in the memory of Queen Victoria. So, if you move to this corner, from here you may see we have the Tibetan dance, the Yak Chant. Beside it is a very panoramic view of our whole two states, sir, with the famous facilities, cuisine, tourist spots, and animals, sir. Sir, if you enter inside, sir.
Welcome to the Netaji line. You can see the three floors: ground floor, first floor, and the second floor. The ground floor is named as Netaji line. Please come with me, sir. You can see the notice board, which contains the daily routine of the cadets. On the left hand side, you can see the snake bite kit and the first aid kit is kept to provide medical support to the cadets. On the right hand side, you can see the suggestion box and the nominal roll of the cadets who are staying inside the room. You can see the office and the ANO room and the contingent commander room of our commanding officer. Please come inside the room, sir. At first, I would like to show you the water dispenser, which provides cadets with hot, cold, and normal water. Moving on to the bed, you can see a pair of DMS, a pair of derby shoes, and a pair of sports shoes are kept. On the top of the bed, you can see the kit bag, a nicely folded blanket, crockeries, and the mosquito net is kept. You can see the name of the cadet who is staying inside. Inside the almirah, you can see the toiletries, equipments, and shoe brush, polish, socks. And on the right hand side, you can see the uniform, muftis, tracksuit. On the top of the almirah, you can see a kit bag, flask, and NCC handbook is kept. Jain sir, I have finished my briefing. If you have any further question, you can ask me.